Can 2-inch tire spacers cause vibration or wobble? People read that the 2-inch tire spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, 2-inch tire spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The thickness of the 2-inch tire spacers and the thickness of lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric 2-inch tire spacers. A lug-centric spacers means there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hubs only by wheel stud. If you are using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced Hub-centric 2-inch tire spacers will be the easiest solution. As long as you use quality 2-inch tire spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. Since the wheel stud and lug nut use a clamping force to secure the 2-inch tire spacers and wheels, if the stud or lug nut are not strong enough to support this forces, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS 2-inch tire spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM440 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. With higher strength, your 2-inch tire spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric 2-inch tire spacers keep the wheel centric and balance on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolts of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric 2-inch tire spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any type of vibration issue. BONOSS 2-inch tire spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since 2-inch tire spacers are components that contact other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerance.